Hi, welcome to Code Together Telugu. So last video we have discussed about checkboxes, right? Now we are going to discuss about pop-ups like pop-up or alerts. See, few pages while we are accessing, we are getting some alerts, right? So if we are getting that alert, until unless if we what is that? If we click on that OK or dismiss, we can't work anything. So for that one, we can use Selenium alert practice web page. If you click like this, you will have testing alerts. It's a Selenium document, I guess. Automation testing. We can see here. See, this is an alert. Oh, we are getting. Click the button to display an alert box. Okay. Again, we need to click here. So we have like this. Again, this is okay. Alert, I am okay. We need to navigate two pages, not this one. This one. This is an alert. Yeah, it's working now clearly. Click me. See, okay button click. Alert will appear after 5 seconds, so it will take some time. Click. So it's there, right? If you are going to work on anything, if you click somewhere on the web page, it won't work until unless you have to click OK or cancel. Then only you are able to do. So this will interrupt our testing. So in order to handle these things, we will see like how to handle these things. For that one, we can create one class name. What can we give? We can give alert alert manage. Okay, we need a public static void main. Click enter. Okay, we had it. So whenever you are working with Selenium, you need to create a driver object for the Chrome driver. This is the first step. So Chrome driver will be available in I can create for the Chrome driver or else web driver, anything would be fine. Okay, once you done, you just import the file and the same. Okay, we have imported. Once imported, we are going to navigate to that page. Correct. So what is this page? Just copy and paste it over here. Okay, so once we go to this page, then we are going to click on this one. Just inspect this one, selector hub, copy relative XPath. Relative XPath is fine. So how to navigate to, click on that particular thing. Driver dot find element here in by class. By using XPath, we are giving that that whatever we copied, right? That relative XPath we are copied and we clicked on it. No, we didn't click. You need to click on click, otherwise it won't. Okay, so we have clicked on it. Once we clicked here, you will get like this. If you try to inspect it, you can't inspect this thing. So this is not a web element. See, if you are clicking anything here, you can inspect, you will have this page. But once you click on alert, if you see, this is not a web page. This is not at all web elements. This is not this is a button, but this is not a web element button, and this is not a this is a text, but it is not what is that called. So you can't inspect because you don't find any attributes here, any tags, any kind of CSS selector, nothing will be there. For this one, you have to handle it with a different we have to handle with switch method. So driver dot switch. We have already discussed about switch to. Click on it. Yes, I think to switch or switch to. Yeah, here switch to dot. Here you will have alert. Okay, what this alert method will return? This alert method will return alert type. Alert. This is which alert? This is normal alert, right? We can give NORALRET, normal alert, or else N alert. Okay, and here you are having, you need to import alert from. Okay, it's done. So once we clicked on alert, so we need to perform some actions. So here you got this thing. So once you got, either you need to click. If you want to click, you can click it, or else if you want to copy this text, hello world, if you want to copy text, we have a different methods. Let's see those methods. So we have saved one variable, right? Just click on that, take that variable, and here you can see accept. Accept means this is not a click thing, it is accepting. Okay, accept or dismiss, both work same, but while you are working with specific thing, like if you are click here, if you click, you are getting answer like you are pressed cancel. If you are clicking this, you pressed OK. So in this kind of things, you come to know, like what is that. Okay, so an alert dot, we can click accept. Okay, so in order to see this one, we can add some timing. This is not for the synchronization, this is we want to see, right? And for that one we are adding 4000 milliseconds. Okay, whenever you are adding, you need to add some interrupted thing. Okay, that's it. Then we are, after that we want to see something, I need some time. Then driver dot quit, because I want to close that browser, because it will open continuously. So once you're done, you just save it. Page loading is taking time. Click on OK. Yeah, it's clicked on it. So OK got clicked. Okay, that is what done. But here we have missed one thing. What is that? Here we have missed driver dot maximize driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. If we add this one, it will, the screen will be, it will be maximized. Okay, so this is what. Okay, so first thing is done. Now go for second one. You just click on it and just select our hub. So this, this both are same, but this will click on after 5 seconds. So here you need to add wait, or else explicit wait, or else implicit wait. You can add, you can try it, but I don't want to work with that. You can try it. Copy relative XPath, and I'm just clicking on this one. Okay, just save it. Okay, here you are giving just accept. Accept means clicking on OK. Okay, just run it. Here you come to know, like, what is accept and what is dismiss. See, here you pressed OK. Okay, Here you can see you pressed OK, but you just copy same and comment it out, and here instead of accept, dismiss. Okay, click on cancel. Okay, just run it again. Something, oh, I didn't put comma, semicolon. Okay, dismiss, run now. See, you pressed cancel. Earlier we got OK, right? Now it's cancelled. Okay, this is what. And if you click on this press button, right, if you want to get the text, you can do it. Just comment it out and SYSO tab, enter. This is out. Some control enter, nothing. So I have to print ln, we need ln. Okay, so here we want to get the text. So how can we get the text? We have one method, alert dot here we have get text. No, get text. Okay, save it, run it now, and then click on accept. After 4000 milliseconds, just run it. Press a button, I think it has to be copied. See, press a button. Okay, so we are getting that. Like that we have a text. And what else? Okay, but it's not worked out. Okay, accept. It's okay now. Yeah, now it's worked out. What? No, here click me is there. No, this one okay, see, this one is a normal alert and this one is confirmation alert, whether you want to go on, I mean whether you are going to approve or you are going to reject. Confirmation. Okay, and this one is like prompt. So what is your name, it is asking. Here we are giving Somu, like this. This is the prompt message. So just go with the work with the prompt one, copy relative XPath, and I'm just using same thing because I didn't comment it out. You can work on it. Okay, so here we get text, right? Instead of get text, we don't want this now. We don't want that. Dot send the keys we have, right? Already we used earlier. So okay, that's it. Now run it. Enter Somu. I'm not sure like it's entered or not, I don't know. So we need add, we have added, but some large text, it has to be worked, but I'm not sure why it's not working. it's not working, but after that accept is working, but we are not getting any error also, maybe because of the website or I'm not sure, but send keys is for that one. Okay, and what else we have methods here. You just click on dot, after that variable we have stored, right? Driver dot switch dot alert. So once, if you are thinking you will get an alert, no, you just add this method. This is a inbuilt method, and if you want to do only accept or dismiss, in that case you can add directly here, no need to save into that separate variable. You just alert dot accept, you can do it like this. So this is the easy way actually. But if you want to add multiple multiple setups, like once it came, you are going to add a prompt, once add some text, then you are going to click on click on accept or click on reject. If you are going to do, in that case you can store it into the alert data type, or else you can do with you can do in a single line. Okay, that's what. So here you can see what we have. Accept, we got it. So accept means whatever the thing is there, no, it's clicking on it. Even if you click dismiss also, it will be same. Okay, so if you want to if there is a pop-up, like for example, you have logged into the one page. In that page, once you logged in, you will get a pop-up like your name, I mean user successfully logged in. In that case, if you want to validate, in that case you can use equals. Equals means if both are same, in that case it will return a boolean type variable, like either true or false. Okay, I'm get class, not sure what is get class. Get text we have already done, and hash code also I'm not sure like what it is done. Notify also, we need to explore notify also, notify all. Send keys, in order to add something into the prompt, to string, it will string object, wait, so those things only. Okay, so that's it about alert. And we can do alert in another way also. What is that way? No, that is the way by using explicit wait. So how to write explicit wait, we have already discussed in a previous video. If you are not sure, you just go through it. So for that one, we need to create an object that's called my wait, and where it will be available, web driver wait. See, whenever you are having new words, it will start with capital letter if it is a class. Web driver wait, even if you are not sure about spellings, you can easily identify. Here we need to pass two parameters. One is your object, whatever the object you have created, right, for your browser, that one, followed by time. So for that one time, we have duration dot, here we have of seconds. Here you can give a time. Obviously we are giving 10 minutes time. If it is more than 10 minutes time, it's kind of performance issue. So where this thing will be available in the WebDriver wait. So you just copy this, paste it over here, space, and import this class. So we have imported. So without using this method, switch to method, if someone asks like without using switch to method, how can you do? However, while we are automating, obviously we are going to use some explicit wait, right? So this is while we are working with real-time examples, obviously we need to add this explicit wait, otherwise it will be difficult. We may face synchronization issues, so you need to add this one. Okay, so now how to do? So everything is same up to now, here up to here everything is same. Now here is the magic. What is that magic? Wait, what is this? Okay, now directly you can add find element. So before click itself we can add, not after click. Before click itself we can add. Before click, no, once we got click, once we clicked it here, so here we are getting some synchronization. Wait, so after thread dot we have something, so we are going to remove this thing. We are going to remove this. Yeah, let's remove this. Now same alert class, or else keep it something. So an alert. Now we don't want this page. So now here, by using my weight, copy this thing, my weight dot, we have one method called until. We have one method until. Here we have one class expected conditions dot alert. Alert is present. So what it will return? Until method, it will return alert. So same thing we have added. That's it. Thread dot. Why we are okay? Here we have. So we are having which one we have clicked? Prompt, right? So just copy this selector hub, copy relative XPath, and here you are going to copy this thing. Okay, and an alert accept. Okay, that's it. Run it now. Let's see whether it works or not. Yeah, it's working. We have added sleep, right? That is the reason it's not closed, or else maybe we got error. We got error. What is that error? No such alert. We got no such alert. My wait until expected dot conditions alert is present. Which is so Java 28th we got here n alert dot accept. So okay, we are doing again, right? That is the reason we have done already here, and we are waiting. Again we are doing, right? That is the reason we don't have anything, right? And that is the reason no such alert. We don't have that kind of alert. That is the reason. Okay, now run it again. We have added same statement twice. There is nothing. Click on OK, then close it. Yeah, close the browser. Closed. That's it. So you can use like this also. Okay, this is one kind of question, like, you know, if they ask in interview, if they may ask, you know, what is notepad? Here is notepad. Okay, like this we can add, or else same thing you can do with, what is this, plus plus control plus plus same here. You need to do what is that driver dot here you need to switch to forget about spellings, dot switch to dot alert. Okay, both the cases same, but if you are using my explicit wait, you can use this one, expected conditions based on this one. Okay, in expected conditions class you will have this method, you can call it. If there is no that kind of things, it will throw in alert. So both will return alert type only, so you need to import alert class while you are doing. That's it. And one more thing called for example, I'm not sure, like we can find example, uh, authentication validation, authentication Selenium practice. What is this authentication alert? No, see, while you are using real time, for example, if you are working with any IT company, so if you are trying to open any browser, you will have one notification. You need to add username and password. That is called authentication alert. Okay, I'm not sure, like I will get what is this. Okay, I'm using, I should use this one because that is opened by Selenium, right? We can't open it, it won't open. Yeah, authentication alert. I'm not sure why. Alert pop-up practice authentication alert pop-up practice for Selenium. Enter. No, not this one. Authentication alert pop-up practice. Pop-up Selenium practice web page. Demo site. This is alert box, normal thing we have done already. This is also done, confirmation, and this is pop-up, yes or no, something prompt we are giving. But where is I don't know how is this authentication pop. Oh, why alert and pop-up? Alert demo site Selenium practice. So for that one kind of things, what we need to do now, we have one thing, like if you are having that kind of thing, you need to do like this. I don't find any, what is that example in order to practice, but you can do like this. So you have to do, we can that is also, that is not part of web element, so you can't access because you don't find any attributes or any web elements. So you need to do one thing. So while we are accessing the page, in this page itself we are going to pass the username and password to authenticate. Here the first thing is username colon password. This is the syntax, at and followed by same. That's it. That is what you need to do. Okay, so if you do like this, it will control C and it will automatically handled. So it's not working, but it will be basic. It's a very basic basic auth automation testing, basic auth for website. For practicing basic authentication, you can use this website. Can we use this website? Here is the username and password is both are admin. Show more format. Okay, let me open this. See, you are getting here and it is saying like both are admin. See, ad admin, admin admin. That's it. Never. Now it's working, right? Yeah. So how can we do, no? So this is the thing, right? I told you. And here what you need to do, just copy, and here you need to give username as admin colon admin and @ symbol. This is what you need to do, this thing. Okay, this thing you need to add. This is called injection, injecting. Okay, see, for example, if you do like this, you won't get pop-up. It's not opening. My network issue, or I'm not sure, but you won't get pop-up. Let's run this. Let's try to do this code here. Okay, here what is this? No, this is the thing. Here you are going to add directly in this call. Here this is the thing you need to do: admin username colon password, like this. Remaining all things you can put it in the comment section, because we don't want this. Okay, run it. This is called authentication alert managing. Authentication. What is that? We are managing, like we are just ignoring authentication type of things, but it's taking too much time. Okay, I'm closing this now, because here you need to add this one after HTTPS. Here two columns are there, no, two slashes are there, no. After that two slashes you need to add, after two slashes you need to add this what is this, username followed by admin, but you need to add colon. That's it, nothing apart from that, nothing. So if you are not giving this thing, if you are not giving this, it will ask you for the it will ask you the authentication pop-up. If you are giving this, it won't. Okay, so you can inject like this in the URL. This is what one handling. Still it is not loading, and here it's not, but it's opened. It should open, but it's not opening. Even normal page also it's not opening. Still it is, what is that, round round round, because there is no network. So if you like this video, like if you get something on alerts, how to alert, how to manage alert. So basically we are using accept, dismiss, or get text, or send keys. This is the methods we are maximum we are using. Apart from that, remaining no. And if you want to manage authentication related pop-ups, you can inject like this. After 2 slashes you need to add username, colon, password, then @ symbol, followed by your link. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe, share.